Here's the truth about building muscle. You see, about 70% of your muscle repair and growth happens while you sleep, especially between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. This is your body's most powerful window for recovery. Now, most people have heard that magnesium is the go-to supplement for building muscle. But here's the truth. 2 other vitamins, when taken before bedtime, are far more effective in helping your muscles repair and grow stronger overnight. In this video, I'll share with you the 2 vitamins you should be taking at night to support muscle recovery. And I'll also tell you 3 supplements you should avoid at night because they can actually block your body's natural repair process. Think of this as insider knowledge, simple, science-backed advice that can save you money on unnecessary supplements and help you wake up stronger, less sore, and more energized. Now, are you ready? Let's get started. There are 2 vitamins that are most active while you sleep. They have very different functions, but together they can help you gain strength, reduce soreness, and recover faster from your workouts. And unfortunately, many people are not getting enough of either one. Let's start with the first vitamin, vitamin D3. When you take vitamin D3 in the evening, something remarkable happens while you sleep. This vitamin activates special receptors inside your muscle cells called VDRS. These receptors help your muscles pull in more calcium and phosphorus from the food you've eaten during the day. Those 2 minerals are absolutely essential for muscle contractions and strength. But the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin D3 also boosts your body's testosterone production at night, a hormone that is critical for turning the protein you eat into new muscle fibers. Without enough vitamin D, this repair process can slow down by as much as 60%. There's also strong evidence that vitamin D3 reduces inflammation in muscle tissue during rest. That means less soreness when you wake up, faster recovery after activity, and stronger protection against the natural muscle breakdown that comes with aging. Now, let's talk about an often overlooked mineral called zinc. Your body needs zinc for thousands of chemical reactions, but its role in muscle repair is particularly important. When you sleep, your body produces growth hormones. These are the signals that tell your muscles to repair and grow. But here's the catch. Without enough zinc, those hormones cannot do their job effectively. Zinc is involved in over 300 enzyme reactions in the body, many of which are directly tied to muscle repair, protein synthesis, and recovery. When zinc levels are adequate, these enzymes stay active for 6 to 8 hours while you sleep, giving your muscles the best chance to rebuild. If zinc is lacking, muscle repair may slow down by as much as 60% overnight. Another key role of zinc is helping transport amino acids, the building blocks of protein, directly into your muscle cells. This means the protein you ate during the day is actually used for repair instead of wasted. Now, let's explore how you can easily boost your intake of these 2 nutrients so you can experience their powerful effects. Now, while vitamin D3 and zinc are powerful allies for your muscles overnight, there are some supplements you should avoid taking in the evening. The first one is B-complex vitamins. At first glance, B vitamins sound helpful. They support energy, nerve health, and metabolism. Many older adults take them daily to fight fatigue. But here's the problem. When taken at night, B vitamins can actually work against your body's natural recovery process. B-complex vitamins, like B6, B12, niacin, riboflavin, stimulate the nervous system. They slightly raise heart rate, metabolism, and alertness. That may be great in the morning, but at night, it keeps your body too awake. As a result, you spend less time in deep slow-wave sleep, the stage when your muscles actually repair and grow. Research shows that older adults who took B vitamins in the evening had lower melatonin levels, delayed sleep onset, and fewer minutes of restorative deep sleep. On top of that, late-night B vitamins can raise cortisol, the stress hormone, which not only disrupts sleep but also breaks down muscle protein. Practical advice: take B-complex vitamins in the morning with breakfast. When you need energy, avoid them in the evening so your muscles can fully enter repair mode overnight. If you notice trouble sleeping or waking up stiff, check whether your B vitamins are being taken too late in the day. The second supplement to avoid at night is vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is essential. It supports immunity, skin health, and wound healing. But when it comes to muscle repair during sleep, timing matters. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant, and while that sounds beneficial, taking it right before bed can actually interfere with your body's natural repair signals. Here's why. When you sleep, your muscles need a small amount of oxidative stress to trigger repair and release growth hormone. This mild stress signals your body to rebuild fibers damaged during the day, but if you take high doses of vitamin C at night, it blunts that signal, slowing down the repair process. Studies show that large amounts of antioxidants before bedtime reduce the body's ability to activate mTOR signaling, the key pathway muscles use to grow stronger. In plain terms, your body doesn't get the message to rebuild muscle. Another issue is that vitamin C can be mildly stimulating. It helps your body produce norepinephrine, a brain chemical that keeps you awake. Many older adults report restless sleep or less deep sleep when they take vitamin C too close to the bedtime. Practical advice: take vitamin C in the morning or early afternoon, when your body benefits most from its antioxidant effects. Avoid it in the evening, so your natural repair and growth processes can work properly. If you rely on vitamin C for immunity, split your dose earlier in the day rather than saving it for nighttime. The third supplement, or more accurately, stimulant to avoid at night, is caffeine. Most people think of caffeine only as their morning coffee or tea, but it can also sneak into pre-workout powders, green tea extracts, or even some multivitamins. While caffeine early in the day can sharpen focus and improve performance, in the evening it works against your body's natural recovery. Here's the problem: caffeine stimulates your nervous system and increases cortisol, the stress hormone. At night, this combination is harmful. It keeps you awake, delays deep sleep, and blocks the restorative cycles when growth hormone peaks and muscle repair takes place. Caffeine also blocks adenosine, the chemical that tells your brain it's time to rest. Without adenosine's calming effect, you may struggle to fall asleep, and when you do, your deep sleep cycles are shorter. That is especially damaging for older adults, since deep sleep is when the majority of muscle rebuilding happens. A 2020 study in nutritional neuroscience found that older adults who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more muscle over time compared to those who stayed caffeine-free, even though both groups ate the same amount of protein. Practical advice: keep all caffeine intake to the morning hours. Coffee, tea, or supplements should be finished by lunchtime. Avoid hidden sources of caffeine in evening supplements, energy teas, or multivitamins. If you want an evening drink, choose calming alternatives like herbal teas, chamomile, lemon balm, or rooibos that support relaxation and sleep. By removing caffeine at night, you allow your body to fully rest, repair, and rebuild muscle as nature intended. To see the next best time to take supplements for faster muscle growth after 40, check out this video. You know, as we get older, especially after 60, getting a good night's sleep becomes even more crucial for our health and well-being. But did you know that the quality of our sleep can significantly impact our muscle strength and recovery? That's right. What happens when we sleep can make all the difference in how strong and healthy our muscles are. In fact, we now know that nearly 70% of muscle repair and growth takes place while we are sleeping. So what can we do to ensure that we wake up with stronger muscles? In this video, I'll share 2 nutrients that are essential for boosting muscle repair and growth while you sleep. Also, I'll reveal 1 common supplement that you should never take at night if you want to maintain strong and healthy muscles. But first, let's explore why sleep is so important for our muscles. You see, when we engage in physical activity, we create microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. This might sound alarming, but it's actually a good thing. These micro tears are the first step in the muscle repair and growth process. During this time, our bodies release special proteins called growth factors that help repair damaged tissues and build new muscle. But these processes require a lot of energy. And where does that energy come from? Primarily from the food we eat and the supplements we take before bed. That's why it's important to make sure that we are consuming the right nutrients at the right time. Now, let's talk about the 2 most powerful allies for boosting muscle repair and growth while you sleep. The first is vitamin D3. This nutrient is known for its many health benefits, including its ability to turn on muscle receptors, help absorb calcium and phosphorus, boost testosterone levels, and reduce inflammation during rest. To reap the benefits of vitamin D3, take around 10,000 international units daily. The second essential nutrient is zinc. This mineral activates enzymes that repair muscle tissue, supports the release of growth hormone, which can increase muscle mass and strength, and helps carry amino acids, the building blocks of protein. directly into muscle cells. You can get enough zinc by eating foods like oysters, beef, and nuts. But if you prefer a supplement, take 30 milligrams of zinc citrate before bed. Now let's discuss one supplement that can sabotage recovery if taken at night: B-complex vitamins. These vitamins are often marketed as energy boosters and stress relievers, but taking them too close to bedtime can actually do more harm than good. You see, B-complex vitamins overstimulate the nervous system, making it harder to fall into deep sleep, which is when most of the muscle repair and growth occurs. Another common supplement that can interfere with sleep and muscle recovery is caffeine. This stimulant is found in coffee, tea, soda, and some medications. While caffeine can help you stay awake and focused during the day, it can also keep you up at night if consumed too close to bedtime. Not only that, but caffeine also raises cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can interfere with sleep and reduce the release of testosterone. Remember, the path to stronger muscles after 60 doesn't require expensive powders or complicated routines. It requires wisdom in timing. Take vitamin D3 and zinc in the evening. Avoid stimulants and mistimed antioxidants, and allow your body to do what it was designed to do: rebuild, restore, and strengthen itself overnight. If you found this information helpful, I encourage you to take action today. Start with one small change tonight. Whether it's adding vitamin D3 and zinc to your evening routine, or simply avoiding stimulants before bed, your muscles will thank you in the morning. And remember, you don't have to walk this journey alone. Share this video with a friend or loved one who may also be struggling with weakness, soreness, or poor sleep. Together, we can build healthier, stronger communities. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos designed to support your health, strength, and independence. Every week, I'll bring you practical, science-backed advice you can trust. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.